ओपन किया सर इसको?
हाँ, उसमें ओपन है CFX फाइल।
उनकी चेंजेस होनी थी ना।
हम लोग एक दूसरी फाइल इंपोर्ट की थी इसमें CFX वाली पहले से। उसका नाम चेंज कर दी थी ऊपर से, लेकिन अब हम लोग इसमें कुछ चेंजेस कर रहे हैं। डिलीट कर दिए मैश, इनपुट मैश। अब नई फाइल इसमें ले रहे हैं, है ना सर? न्यू फाइल ले रहे हैं ना?
Here only, no? Also this
अपस्ट्रीम मैश फाइल इंपोर्ट हो रही है। कील प्रो और अब तीसरी वाली आउटपुट फाइल डाउनस्ट्रीम। सर इसमें से प्लस प्लस क्यों बना हुआ है, 3 प्लस?
पहले से दिया
वो सॉफ्टवेयर ने दिया है, सर ने दिया था?
सर ने दिया।
ओ,
मैं उसी को मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूँ, पुराने वाले CFS वाले।
अच्छा, पुराने वाले को मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं।
टाइम लगेगा इसमें।
ठीक है।
नंबर पहले नोटिस किया।
सर बहुत लंबा है ये तो। ओ,
Didn't change it. Okay, we'll start this one. So what we'll do? First, we'll create interface.
फर्स्ट विल क्रिएट इंटरफेस।
Okay. So for interface, the option is here on
इंटरफेस,
Just right click here.
इंसर्ट,
Inside.
डोमेन इंटरफेस।
So first interface is between what? This upstream and
कील, हाँ।
So I will write it.
First interface is between upstream and keel, so we are writing upstream plus keel
Upstream
plus keel
outlet
keel
to
keel
field inlet.
keel inlet.
Fine.
So this interface,
Yes.
this interface, okay.
Then click OK. Okay. Then after that, here fluid, here domains name. Okay. We need to create domain also.
We need to create domain also.
So go to
Outline,
click here.
for analysis, insert domain.
So first one is upstream fluid.
Upstream fluid.
Okay. Here we will choose the upstream.
There is some confusion. सर फ्लूट तो ऑलरेडी दे के रखे हैं ना सर?
Something mistake is there.
Something is there.
I think by mistake I took here I took the name for downstream as also I took the name upstream. Okay. I need to write downstream, but by mistake I took. Okay. So what I will do here? Here I put upstream fluid.
So like downstream fluid, just which is
No, it's not like this.
it's not
Actually,
like upstream fluid to use
two will select it will come here.
downstream.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
By mistake only it's fine. Upstream fluid I selected. Okay. Then here what to do? Material ID. This property is the material. Just apply. Okay.
सर यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या किए हैं?
We create the domain, field domain.
ठीक है.
So we create that. First we need to create the domain, field domain. Then only we need to interface.
Again creating.
If suppose single body is there, so that time we create this air field. Separate is everything. So now three domain, we need to create three domains. Now again insert domain. Now the kill fluid.
Keel probe
Same thing. I'm not doing anything extra.
fluid.
Kill probe fluid. Okay. Now here I will give kill probe. Fluid. Just apply.
Apply.
Okay. Next is what? Insert. Coming downstream fluid.
Downstream fluid.
Okay. Here I put upstream fluid too. By mistake only I just write upstream. It should be downstream.
Okay, by mistake it is coming upstream, but it should be downstream fluid.
Yes. Yes.
So upstream fluid 2 is nothing but downstream fluid.
Now all the domain defines. Now we can create interface.
Now let's create interface.
Domain interface.
Domain interface.
Okay. Now I will give the name. What name will be? Domain already is there. No? Wait. Already is there. Here. Upstream outlet to killing. So here I will give it upstream fluid. And here will be outlet. Upstream outlet. Here will be kill probe fluid and kill inlet. So this is the interface of this one. Okay.
Okay. So previously what interface we created, that is like, I mean, waste. Makes no sense.
पहले कहाँ गिर गए थे?
एक कर रहे थे तो
वही लस्को भी इसको करा.
अच्छा.
डोमेन करने गया था ना, इसलिए आ नहीं रहा था.
अच्छा, वो आ नहीं रहा था,
डोमेन कर करके ला रहे थे
तो अब आएगा.
Now it's not saying because error is there. This error will go for the domain to work. Apply. Okay. Now, next interface. One more interface.
Insert boundary interface, sir. Interface, insert domain interface.
Here will be kill outlet.
Means we are trying to define this interface, no sir?
Yes.
Or this one?
This one.
This one, okay.
Kill outlet to downstream. Downstream inlet. Okay. Now here I will give kill probe fluid. Here boundary is kill outlet.
Downstream fluid.
Downstream fluid. Downstream inlet.
Inlet.
Okay, fine. Just apply.
Apply.
Okay. Now this part is done. Now what is the left? That wall and all this thing left. So we need to give this wall and all this thing. So where is our kill probe fluid? First we will give the upstream fluid. Upstream fluid. Okay, this one.
सर हम लोग क्या करने जा रहे हैं?
Now we'll create boundary. Wall.
क्रिएटिंग बाउंड्री. अच्छा, वॉल.
Upstream fluid. Boundary. Insert.
बाउंड्री.
Here will be what?
अपस्ट्रीम वॉल.
Inlet.
सर वॉल है ना?
ये inlet देना है ना?
अच्छा, इनलेट देना है. अपस्ट्रीम इनलेट वॉल.
Upstream inlet.
अपस्ट्रीम इनलेट.
Okay. First of all, inlet. Upstream inlet is inlet. Fine. Stop line. And go to boundary details. Okay, just put the normal speed. Later on will change. Okay. Means we are not putting that function. The phase angle of this thing. Later on will change. First I want to create the boundary. Answer boundary.
अपस्ट्रीम वॉल.
Yes. Upstream wall. Then here I give a wall.
wall,
Here I give a upstream wall.
upstream wall,
Boundary details. Here this time we'll put pre-slip wall. Okay. Just apply.
सर नो स्लिप और फ्री स्लिप में क्या डिफरेंस है?
No slip wall if you want a boundary layer.
ओह
Now sir, reduce the size of this one.
Hmm.
So there won't be any boundary. The flow will go directly.
हम्म
There is no boundary layer. That's why we're giving slip wall. Pre-slip wall.
So that wall will be deleted.
Sir, reduce the size, na?
Huh?
Sir, reduce the size of this blockage.
No, no. The interface which is between the inlet of the key and the outlet of the substrate will be neglected
Yes.
if we give free slip wall.
Yes.
Because it just passes, it doesn't slip.
It's just passing there. It will not create any boundary layer. Okay. Apply. Okay. So inlet part is done. Next we'll do kill prop. Yeah. Here also going to give so many walls are there. Kill prop field. Very concept about the boundary. So
कील प्रो बाउंड्री, कील प्रो वॉल,
okay.
वॉल, कील प्रो वॉल, हाँ सेकंड वन,
फर्स्ट किल वन साइड लेग और क्या क्या है वॉल 1 वॉल 2 सेंसर ओके 3 मोर डिफाइनिंग
कील वॉल करंटली गिविंग कील वॉल,
बॉल विकेट्स will give free slip free slip I told you no? We don't want boundary layer at this wall.
Okay, the wall.
Done. Okay. Now next again.
बट सर वी नीड बाउंड्री लेयर टू द कील प्रो वॉल ना?
Yes, yes,
हाँ
boundary layer.
ओके, we don't want boundary layer this side because this is just a fluid,
Yes.
but we need inside the keel probe attached body, there we need
Kill prop
boundary
wall
layer.
one. Okay. Here will be the wall. This is a kill prop wall 1. Monitors, no slip wall is fine. Just apply. Okay. Again we'll go here inside boundary. This time kill prop wall 2.
hmm.
This time again wall.
wall,
And this one again kill prop wall 2.
hmm.
Okay. Here also no slip wall.
No slip is the default.
Yes, apply. Then next kill prop wall sensor na.
keel probe wall 3, so sensor,
Sensor.
wall, sensor, सब हो गया.
Sensor. This also no slip wall. Just apply. Done.
Another wall is wall two is also there.
And
Wall.
now downstream light only. Downstream, very downstream.
Downstream,
We have to create boundary.
downstream, wall, downstream wall, apply, okay,
One more thing, downstream outlet.
downstream outlet,
Okay. Last time what we did, static pressure, no?
we are giving total pressure always sir.
अभी बाहर में एवरेज शुरू कर देगा
अच्छा,
1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. Just apply. What are the errors are coming?
We are checking errors now one by one.
Error code is not there, we can delete this one.
Error code is not there, so delete.
Right? Now, yes. So the default scheme. No? Expression is there or is there? The expression is there.
But what about the walls in between?
This interface is created. No? This interface has done.
It won't be calculated as walls.
No, this is not a one. This is just connection from kill outlet to downstream inlet. So you can see here. Green color is in it. This is just connection. Now again I have to open this one from here to connection. So the fluid is going from here to continue. Already I have given the modification inlet outlet wall, everything is given. This is only interface. So interface we don't need to give anything. Okay. So this part is done, but I delete the air fluid. I shouldn't delete because I want to copy that
Expressions are there.
velocity profile. Okay, I will open one more file.
Oh, that equation.
Yes,
Check it might be there. Oh no, it was given in the input.
yes, I deleted that. I need to check. Info, CFX file, copy,
Info gradient.
info value, no? Here 8 plus I will I'll open this one.
सर वही क्वेश्चन कॉपी कर रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ. यहाँ कौन लिखेगा?
Go to
inlet
inlet
air.
air boundary.
Okay. Scan.
कंट्रोल ए कर दीजिए सर.
Control A. It will work. Control A.
कंट्रोल ए कर दीजिए.
Okay. Control
सी
normal speed. No? Let it be minimum.
सबसोनिक नॉर्मल स्पीड.
कौन सा देगा ना ये I go to here. I will end it. Up estimation. Down to here. Here. Expression and the expression. Just control V. That's it.
अप्लाई.
Other expressions will be there.
The other expression is I can delete. But this expression delete. This is there. So these are there. It will not delete. So this is the benefits of modifying. Don't need to write again. Otherwise we need to write again from start. And output also checking. Monitoring is in it. Diversity also monitoring is it. And that is fine. Just checking this one. Okay. So I close this one. Now there is no need this one.
नो नीड.
This is done. Now I am done. Other things are fine. Server control is okay. And yes. Put control and flow. Backup is there. Okay. Application. Monitoring is there.
After 100 iterations.
Yes. It is fine.
So if it stops once.
Yes. Everything is fine. Now all connections are like same. There is nothing issue. So now what I want to check once in I go to here down upstream field and net log of some boundary contours and I'll speak apply. Okay. Now just mix on here. See. Now you can see it potentially.
इट्स जनरेटिंग.
जनरेट तो करा लेकिन वो दिख रहा है कितना हाउ इज द क्रिस्टल क्लियर बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सर.
but in unstructured mesh you will not get like this. It's even a single point is capturing nicely.
यस सर.
Now understand what is the benefit of structured mesh.
ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू डॉक्टर सुजीत.
मुझे डर है कहीं तुम डालना दो यूट्यूब में सामने.
नहीं सर हम
बहुत मारूंगा तुमको. रोकर घुस के मारूंगा.
प्राइवेट करेंगे सर इसको.
See, I'm telling you in terms of your
नहीं प्राइवेट सब प्राइवेट. जब सुजीत सर किसी आईटी प्रोफेसर बन जाएंगे तब ये
ऐसी चीज़ें मुझे डर लगता है.
जब सुजीत सर किसी आईटी प्रोफेसर बन जाएंगे तब हम इस वीडियो को पब्लिक करेंगे. हम लोग सी वंस अपॉन अ टाइम.
But he will publish.
नहीं अभी नहीं.
Okay, this everything is done. Now we can define the case. ओके, समझ में आया ना?
हाँ सर पूरा समझ में आ गया।
क्योंकि ये रिपीट किया, कुछ
हाँ
नया
पूरा
नहीं है।
समझ में आ गया। हाँ
बस खाली हम लोगों ने एक नया चीज़ किया, वी जनरेट द इंटरफेस।
हाँ,
इंटरफेस ऑप्शन इज
और हम वो भी नया सीखे सर, इक्वेशन कॉपी पेस्ट कैसे करते हैं।
यस, सी नथिंग टू डू, जस्ट क्लिक हियर, इंसर्ट डोमेन इंटरफेस एंड जस्ट पुट द नेम वेयर यू वांट।
वेर यू वांट द इंटरफेस,
And
राइट।
after that, whenever you will put, your option will come. The first one is which one? First is this one.
लेफ्ट साइड एंड देन
Then
राइट
right
साइड,
side.
ऑटोमेटिक इंटरफेस विल कम
So
बिटवीन।
here we have to give interface like this. Okay,
राइट सर,
that's it. Nothing to do.
दैट्स इट।
Other things are same only. I didn't change anything. Okay,
Now we can
Now we'll run define.
रन,
Define run.
डिफाइन रन।
Save it.
अरे सर वो करना था, डायरेक्टरी सेलेक्ट करना था, कहाँ पे?
ये यहाँ पर आएगा ना.
हाँ यहाँ पे आ गया।
Define run करेंगे तब ना आएगा.
हाँ
Save and quit. Leave it. इसका काम हो गया.
सर काम हो गया।
Now we'll run here. Directory session.
न्यू किल प्रूफ सेफिक्स फाइल, न्यू किलर 1 फाइल 6।
I'll put 8. Okay.
हाँ एक सिंगल करते हैं पहले। हाँ। तो 10 दे दीजिए सर, 10 दे दीजिए, 10 दे दीजिए, 12 कर दीजिए, क्योंकि अपना कोई काम नहीं है अभी।
But I want to check what is the speed. So let it be 8.
ठीक है,
Then only we'll go to main.
राइट सर।
Start run.
स्टार्ट रन,
Fine.
चलिए।
अब देखते कितना टाइम लगेगा इसका. ठीक है.
इट सीम्स स्पीड इज क्वाइट गुड।
मैं भी पता पता चलेगा ना, एक केस में कितना टाइम लगेगा.
या आई थिंक
चलो ठीक है.
ओके, गोइंग वेल सर।
So this kind of things also we can mess structure and structure mix everything. In CFS everything is possible.
Almost done, yes, so first iteration।
मैं तो बोलता है YouTube में क्लास
हाँ सर,
एक स्टैंड खरीद लो Amazon से.
ना
एक फोन स्टैंड खरीद लो Amazon से.
तो यहीं लगा दें,
हाँ.
आप जब भी सिखाएं स्टैंड कर दें।
स्टैंड लगा के बस आराम से
खत्म।
बस. वो आता है नहीं तो
आता है।
खूब वाला पकड़ने में.